We're gonna learn how we can use the BO automation Google Chrome extension for Google Flow. Just go to the link in description. You'll get this page from Chrome Web Store. This is the extension BO automation. Click on add to Chrome firstly and then add extension. Once the extension gets installed, so just click on the right click on the extension here at the top, right click and then go to pin. Once it's pinned, you'll get this extension and click on this extension to use it. Scroll down, click on I understand and click on navigate to flow. It will automatically bring you the Google Flow page here on the left part. Make sure you are already inside the Google Flow. Once you're inside the Google Flow, click on new project. Now come to the right side, that is the extension panel. We have got 3 tabs: control, setting and debug logs. Firstly, you're going to go to setting here. You can select your default mode. Currently it's text to video. Select your default mode. Let's change it to text to image. You can also change the model type, image model, default aspect ratio. Let's change it to 9:16. Default video duration and default image mode option. There's also the auto download feature. If you don't want to automatically download the photos or videos, you can select no download. But I'm gonna select the 720p auto download feature. So you can customize these settings as per your wish. Once you've done the desired changes, click on save settings. Scroll up. Interesting thing about this extension is that you don't need any sign up or login here. Now once you've explored the settings, go to control, which is the main panel, and select your mode, either text to video, frame to video, text to image, etc. Let's set it to text to image and set the number of concurrent prompts. I have set to 1 prompt firstly and random delay duration. Scroll down. Now this is the box where you put the prompts. Either you can write your own prompt or you can upload a TXT file, that is the text file of your prompts. It even supports the Excel and CSV files. Now you can choose how many outputs you want per prompt. It's currently 2. I'm gonna set it to 4. I have a prompt that I generated previously from ChatGPT. Let's paste it here. So this is my prompt, this one here, a tiny floppy golden. Scroll down. Once you put the prompt, click on run. And it automatically does the task in Google Flow. You can see here. Yes, now the images are generating here. And you can maximize the screen. These are the results. And thus it has automatically downloaded the output right here. So these are the output. So it's free, no sign up or login required. Everything is so easy. So if you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.